What happens to your blood flow when you swap your morning coffee for these nitric oxide bombs? Good morning, gentlemen. Before you take that first sip today, let me hit you with a mind-blowing stat that might make you pause mid-reach for your mug. Did you know that by age 50, most men's nitric oxide levels plummet by up to 50%, turning what should be a vibrant morning into a sluggish crawl that affects everything from your energy to your bedroom confidence? Yeah, it's shocking, but stick with me, because what if I told you that one simple switch in your morning drink could reverse that decline and flood your body with life-giving blood flow like you're 30 again? Imagine waking up feeling heavy, your legs like lead, your mind foggy, and that spark of vitality just gone. That's the reality for millions of guys over 50, and it's not just getting older. It's your body's silent scream for better fuel. Your arteries aren't as elastic anymore. Nitric oxide, that magical molecule that keeps blood vessels wide open, is fatting fast, and the wrong morning drink, it could be slamming the door shut on your circulation before you even step out of bed. But here's the game changer. The right sip can flip the switch, boosting nitric oxide, easing blood pressure, and sending oxygen surging to every corner of your body. We're talking warmer hands and feet, sharper focus, sustained energy that doesn't crash by noon, and yes, that confident edge in the moments that matter most. Today, we're diving deep into 7 powerhouse morning drinks that don't just quench thirst, they rebuild your vascular health from the inside out. These aren't gimmicks, they're backed by hard science, real patient stories, and years of clinical insights. Get ready to feel alive again, because by the end, you'll have the tools to transform your mornings and reclaim the strength you thought was lost forever. Before we jump into the first drink, picture this. A study from the American Heart Association revealed that men who optimized their morning hydration with nitrate-rich options saw a 20% improvement in endothelial function. That's the flexibility of your blood vessel linings in just weeks. Crazy, right? It means your arteries could go from stiff and restricted to supple and responsive, all from what you pour into your glass. Let's start with the undisputed king of natural circulation boosters, beet juice. Beet juice isn't just some trendy veggie drink, it's a nitric oxide powerhouse that can literally widen your blood vessels in hours. That deep, earthy red color comes from betalains and high concentrations of inorganic nitrates, which your body converts directly into nitric oxide. Why does this matter? Nitric oxide is your vascular system's best friend. It relaxes smooth muscle cells and artery walls, allowing blood to flow freely, reducing pressure on your heart, and delivering more oxygen to muscles, organs, and even those sensitive areas where poor circulation hits hardest. As we hit 50 and beyond, enzymes like endothelial nitric oxide synthase become less efficient due to oxidative stress and inflammation, leading to that dreaded drop in nitric oxide. But beets, they bypass the slowdown by providing ready-to-convert nitrates. Let me share a real-world example that still gives me chills. I had a guy in his late 50s, let's call him Tom, who came in frustrated with constant fatigue, cold extremities, and a dip in his intimate life. He was pounding black coffee every morning, thinking it was his energy lifeline. We switched him to 4-6 ounces of pure beet juice first thing, mixed with a splash of lemon for better absorption. Vitamin C stabilizes nitric oxide, you see. Within 2 weeks, Tom was back, eyes wide, saying his workouts felt easier, his feet weren't icy anymore, and he had that morning pep he hadn't felt in years. Science backs this up big time. A 2015 meta-analysis in the journal Nitric Oxide reviewed 16 studies and found that beetroot juice supplementation significantly lowered systolic blood pressure by an average of 4-5 mmHg, with even greater effects in older adults. Another trial from the University of Exeter in 2010 showed that cyclists who drank beet juice improved their endurance by 16%, thanks to enhanced oxygen efficiency. Personally, I love how beets don't just give a quick hit, they sustain it. If you're trying this, go for organic, no sugar-added versions to avoid counteracting the benefits with insulin spikes. Mix in some ginger for an anti-inflammatory kick. It enhances the warmth you feel as blood flows better. Trust me, that first sip might taste strong, but the payoff, it's like unlocking a hidden energy reserve you forgot you had. Now, what if I told you that swapping your second coffee for something milder could protect your nitric oxide all day long, preventing that mid-morning crash that leaves you irritable and drained? Enter green tea, the subtle warrior that's been revered in Eastern medicine for centuries and now proven by Western labs to be a circulation savior. Green tea's magic lies in its catechins, especially EGCG epigallocatechin gallate, which act as potent antioxidants. These compounds scavenge free radicals that damage nitric oxide while also stimulating its production and improving endothelial function. Unlike coffee's caffeine jolt, which can sometimes cause vasoconstriction if overdone, green tea's L-theanine promotes calm focus, balancing the mild caffeine for steady energy. As men age, chronic low-grade inflammation from things like poor diet or stress erodes artery linings, but green tea fights back by inhibiting pro-inflammatory cytokines like TNF-alpha. I remember a patient, Mike, 62, who was a die-hard coffee addict, 3 cups before lunch, always black and strong. He complained of jittery mornings followed by exhaustion, plus poor sleep that compounded his circulation issues. We eased him into replacing 1 cup with freshly brewed green tea, steep for 2-3 minutes at 175 degrees F to preserve those catechins. Add a lemon slice. Boom, bioavailability jumps because vitamin C aids absorption. Mike reported back after a month. Warmer hands, better concentration at work, and even his blood pressure readings dropped from 140/90 to 128/82. That's no fluke. A 2014 systematic review in the American Journal of Clinical Nutrition analyzed 13 trials and found green tea consumption reduced blood pressure and improved lipid profiles, directly linking to better vascular health. In Japan, where green tea is a staple, studies like the Osaki cohort show lower cardiovascular disease rates among regular drinkers. From my perspective, it's emotional seeing guys reclaim their calm confidence without relying on stimulants that burn out their system. Brew it right, sip it mindfully, and feel that gentle wave of vitality wash over you. It's not about hype, it's about harmony. Hold on before we hit the next one. Here's a stat that'll make your jaw drop. Research from the Journal of the American College of Cardiology indicates that men over 50 with optimal nitric oxide levels have a 30% lower risk of erectile dysfunction, directly tied to blood flow. Surprised? That's why these drinks aren't just for energy, they're for reclaiming your full potential. Speaking of royalty, in a glass, pomegranate juice is like liquid gold for your arteries, once reserved for ancient kings and now accessible to every man ready to fight age-related decline. Its polyphenols, including punicalagins, are supercharged antioxidants that not only boost nitric oxide, but also reduce plaque buildup in arteries by inhibiting LDL oxidation. This fruit's effects are profound. It enhances ENOS activity, leading to more nitric oxide release and combats atherosclerosis. In a high-stress world where cortisol constricts vessels, pomegranate acts as a natural counterpunch. A patient of mine, Robert, 65, was dealing with high cholesterol and that nagging coldness in his limbs. He started with 4 ounces of pure pomegranate juice daily, no blends or sugars. Paired with nuts for fat-soluble absorption, he felt a difference in days, more stamina on walks, stable energy, and yes, a boost in personal confidence. Clinically, a 2004 study in clinical nutrition showed that pomegranate juice reduced arterial plaque by 30% in patients with carotid artery stenosis after 1 year. Another from Rambam Maimonides Medical Journal in 2012 found immediate improvements in blood flow post-consumption. I get passionate about this because it's empowering, no pills, just nature's remedy. Diluted if tart, but keep it pure for max impact. Shifting gears, what happens when you start your day with something as basic as warm lemon water? It sounds too simple, but this humble drink is a hydration hero that primes your nitric oxide pathway while flushing toxins. Lemons provide vitamin C, crucial for collagen synthesis in vessel walls, and as a cofactor for nitric oxide stability. Dehydration overnight thickens blood, straining circulation, but warm lemon water rehydrates gently, alkalizing your system and reducing acid load that harms arteries. For John, 70, who skipped breakfast and went straight to caffeine, switching to 8 ounces with half a lemon transformed his stiffness into suppleness. A 2019 study in Nutrients highlighted vitamin C's role in lowering blood pressure via improved vasodilation. Emotionally, it's refreshing that zesty warmth signals a fresh start. And here's a twist that'll excite coffee lovers. What if your brew, paired with dark chocolate, became a circulation ally instead of a foe? Moderate black coffee stimulates short-term blood flow via caffeine, while dark chocolate's flavonoids, like epicatechin, extend it by enhancing nitric oxide. The key: no sugar, high cacao, 70% plus. A duo that boosts flow-mediated dilation. Patient David, 64, refined his habit and felt sharper, lighter. Harvard's Nurses' Health Study parallels show cardiovascular benefits. It's indulgent yet therapeutic. I love how it marries pleasure with science. Before the next bombshell, consider this. A BMJ meta-analysis found nitrate-rich diets cut cardiovascular events by 15%. Ready for more? Enter the circulation smoothie. Blend spinach nitrate-packed, berries anthocyanin-rich, banana for potassium, and almond milk. This combo amplifies nitric oxide while fighting oxidation. For Steve, 67, it replaced heavy breakfasts, leading to all-day energy. A 2013 study in Free Radical Biology and Medicine confirmed spinach's nitric oxide boost. Finally, golden milk. Turmeric's curcumin in warm milk with pepper tames inflammation, preserving nitric oxide. Nightly for Paul, 69, meant deeper sleep and vibrant mornings. A 2017 review in Foods noted curcumin's vascular protection. Wrapping up, gentlemen, these drinks: beet juice building, green tea preserving, pomegranate amplifying, lemon water hydrating, coffee chocolate balancing, smoothie fueling, golden milk restoring, create synergy for unstoppable circulation. Start small, lemon water daily, rotate others. In 30 days, feel the shift. Your body craves this, give it and watch confidence soar. Remember, it's educational, consult pros. You're built for strength, reclaim it one sip at a time.